Wow. Look at these flying superheroes. Crazy. Oh my gosh, look at the speed at which Batman is flying. And there we are together at once. Crazy. Catch him. Catch Batman. Nice. Get him. You're getting closer. You're getting closer. That is a tug, a tackle hug. The Anderson boys are known well for it. Oh my gosh! Who is that? Ah! Batman!
I can't fight.
Superman, you gotta fight him. You are the good guys. Get Darth Vader, he's the bad guy. Maybe if you guys tackled him at the same time, you could take Darth Vader down. Can you tackle him?
Maybe not. Can't do.
Get him, Audley! For good guys, you guys are not doing very good at getting the bad guy. Yes! Good one, Holden. Get him from the back, Audley! Take him out! Get the bad guy! You get him! Double team him! Darth Vader, you're the best dad ever. Alright. Pow! Chink! Give him the kicks. Give him your karate kicks. Yeah, let me see some more kicks. High kick. Chops. Blocks. Yeah. Nice. Alright, chops and blocks and kicks. Let's see some kicks. Good one. Oh, this is the best movie ever. Happy Mother's Day to me.